Yeah, nice going, bitch. Nice going, dude. Dude, what happened to your car?
Why is the cop using that as a bargaining chip? Yeah. Hey Slade, I got your body here. I'm gonna blow its brains out unless you
pick a lane, asshole.
3 hours speed running strategies here, but we would have to adjust some of our strategies because this is Lasso, not Legendary. Fortunately, out of the gate.
Now we also have to remember that storytelling in first-person shooters had no real expectations at the time. If Halo launched and it cut 90% of its story and cutscenes out, nobody...
It's the mushroom.
I think it's supposed to be funny, but it's executed like it looks like a home movie.
Manual recording will now start.
What the fuck are you doing?
Mushrooms or whatever, and then the camera just awkwardly.
What the fuck are all of you doing?
The gun. The hit video game roars to life with amazing special effects and spectacular action sequences.
I bet.
What happened here?
Kick off this holiday. Not only is it exciting and important to think about new experiences, new content, but that relationship with our community, and not only the feedback, but this is Kraven the Hunter.
This is the
He's a Spider-Man villain.
He's auditioning.
Yeah, you might want to check your turn signal.
Not count as post-launch content for Halo Infinite, because that should have been there at launch. That definitely should have been.
Hey, your brake lights don't work. Was there what? And you're not going to use the turn lane provided. God, you fucking asshole.
Manual recording will now